Sometimes it feels like life is just passing right by us, like there's no way to keep up. I'm currently struggling with how to have a balanced life. If you've read the title, you may be in a similar situation, or you may feel like you always have too much on your plate. Today I'm going to be going over a few tips that I will be implementing into my life to achieve a more balanced life. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Samson. On this channel, I talk about my journey on becoming a full-time videographer, and I talk about things along the lines of video, starting a business, and just general things that I'm currently going through in my life. And this is just me documenting my journey. Okay, real talk though, how fast did the 2 months of 2020 pass by us? Like, I feel like I just blinked and it's already March. So that's pretty crazy.
Yes, I have a whiteboard, and yes, this may be the very first time I'm using it, but can we all agree that we all have the same amount of time in a day, which is 24 hours? And in the average day, a normal person would sleep for around 8 hours a day. Then we have our jobs, or maybe school, let's just call it work, which would be another 6 to 8 hours. And after that long day of work, this is all the time that we have for the crap that we actually care about. And for the crap that I actually care about, which is church on Sundays, health and fitness, trying to go to the gym, filming clients on Saturdays, editing videos during the week, whether it be for clients or YouTube, and friends and family. All in all, it feels like there's just not enough time.
Now, I don't say all of this to complain about my life, but to bring me to my first tip, which is to ask myself, what are my priorities? Asking the right questions to yourself is the first step, because once you've figured out what your priorities are, you can now say no to the things that may not be bringing you as much value. Now, the next step is to make a list, a to-do list. And I know that I've talked about to-do lists in the past, but I stand by them. And it's just so important to schedule out your week with things that you truly value and that you truly prioritize. And that is so that we're able to fit everything that is going to bring us value, and that we're able to maximize our time, because we know it's so easy to let the week pass by without doing anything productive. But also, I just want to add to enjoy yourself, spend time with friends and family. That's why I had friends and family on my important list. And so that's kind of where I'm at with that right now. And so that basically concludes my video on how to have a balanced life. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope this video brought a little bit of value to you guys. And I will see you guys next Thursday.